Summer is just around the corner. Today, let's make an easy and refreshing Chinese dessert, chilled Mango Pomelo Sago Dessert. Ingredients are very simple. Most of them are already listed in the name. Mangoes, pomelo, sagos or tapioca pearls, evaporated milk, sugar, and coconut milk. Here I have two types of coconut milk. They're both made from the pulp of the coconuts and you can use either type. First is this coconut milk drink, which is very delicious. I have mentioned this in my previous top 10 Chinese drinks video. It already has a large amount of water in it, so you can use it straight away. Or the second type is this canned coconut milk, which is usually used for cooking and is more condensed, so you'll need to add some water to it. Now let's start to make the dessert. Step 1 is to boil the sagos. Boil a pot of water, pour in the sagos and let them boil for 10 minutes. Stir intermittently to prevent them from sticking. We're using small sagos here. Sagos are those pearl-like starchy treats, which are usually made from either palm tree stem starch or tapioca starch. They're squishy and chewy, adds a unique texture to the dessert. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let the sagos continue to cook in hot water for another 15 minutes. When they become transparent, transfer them to cold water. This will not only help to cool down those sagos, but at the same time will rinse off the extra starch and make its texture bouncier. Remove the sagos out of the water for later use. Step 2 is to prep the fruits. We'll be using 3 mangoes for the puree and 1 for decoration. Slice the mango along its pit. For the mango puree, press the mango against the rim of the glass and slide to separate the fruit from the peel. For decoration, make some horizontal and vertical cuts on the mango. Apply a bit of pressure to make those mango cubes pop. Slide it by the edge of the glass to remove them from the peel. You'll get some pretty mango cubes and a glass full of big chunks of juicy mangoes. Blend the big mango chunks until you get a fine puree. Use a quarter of the whole pomelo. Take out the pulps and tear them into shreds. Last step is to mix all the ingredients. In a bowl, add the evaporated milk, coconut milk, water, and sugar. Mix them well. Then add the fruits. Pour in the mango puree, blend it with the milk mixture until it becomes an even creamy orange color. Add in the pomelo pulps, mix them well. And last but not least, mix in the sagos. You can garnish it with some pomelo pulps and mango cubes we prepared earlier. And the dessert is finished. The Mango Pomelo Sago Dessert, in Chinese, 杨枝甘露, literally means the nectar dropped from a willow tree. This dessert is indeed as refreshing and delicious as the name suggests. With each sip, you can experience a mouthful of juicy mangoes, chewy sagos, fresh pomelo pulps, and a tint of coconut. I hope you enjoyed this dessert and stay tuned for more Chinese food recipes.